Yep.
Here we have a Grob 36-inch throat bandsaw with a blade welder. We got it hooked up to 480 volt 3-phase power, and we're gonna cut a piece of metal, and we're also gonna show you the blade welder. We did leave the panel off in the front so you can see the pulley turning. So this right here is your blade welder. Basically, we're kind of improvising. We're putting a couple bands here, a couple steel strapping, and basically you just turn this on. Okay, that's basically how you weld right there. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the saw. You can see in the front over here, the motor turning the gearbox, which is turning the